Hello traders, welcome to my screen view. In today's video, I will show you how to use the RSI past can turn RSI into a directional tool for detecting trade opportunities in the market. At the end of this video, you will be able to effectively apply to build a powerful trading strategy in any market you wish to trade. Alright, with that being said, let's get started right now. The RSI past can turn RSI into a directional tool that is derived from the functionalities of the Relative Strength Index indicator that was created by J. Wells Wilder to measure overbought and oversold conditions. The RSI past can turn RSI into a directional tool attempts to capture the secondary use of RSI as a directional indicator. RSI past achieves this by comparing how many bars have passed since RSI's most recent overbought and oversold readings. It then plots a simple difference between those two numbers. Mark it with bullish signals that will increase each time RSI hits an overbought condition, while markets with bearish readings are just the opposite, growing more negative as oversold conditions occur. To apply this trading indicator on the price chart, type the keywords RSI past can, turn RSI into a directional tool on the TradingView indicator search box. Select the EP version by TradeStation. Here is the indicator on the price chart. Let me show you this trading indicator's settings before I further show you how to apply it in an actual trading market condition. Under the input settings, there's the length set to 14. The price is set to close. The overbought threshold is 70, and oversold threshold 30. By default, the bullish signal color is green, and the bearish signal color is red. Traders can modify this color to suit their choice. Under the style, there's the RSI pass. Under the output settings, the precision is set to default. There are box options to tick labels on the price scale, and values in the status line. As a beginner new to this trading indicator, it's advisable to leave its default settings as is. Now it's time I show you how to use this trading indicator to detect buying and selling in real trading market conditions. First, let me show you how to apply it for a sell setup in the market. As a beginner, start with the continuation sell setup for a downtrend. To sell with this trading indicator, first watch out for a trending bearish trend. The RSI past indicator will show a larger red shaded area at the bottom oversold region of the indicator's scale zone. Step 2. Patiently wait for the indicator to cross above the zero scale line and turn green. Step 3. Watch out for the green shaded signal to turn red at the upper section, as in the examples we can see on this indicator. The final step is to sell whenever the red color signal crosses below the zero scale value of the indicator. Let me show you an example of a sell trade setup entry. As we can see on the 4-hour time frame of the British pound sterling USD, the market was in a strong bearish trending market. After the green signal at the top of the zero scale line turned red, the red signal later crossed down below the zero scale line. This is the right time to sell. Stop loss should be placed above the lower high swing in this bearish trend. Traders can target the next strong support level. Alternatively, traders could target 2 risk-to-reward ratios. Let's see how this sell trade will work out. Take profit target achieved. Let me show you another sell trade setup. Here's another sell trade setup on the 4-hour chart of the Australian dollars USD. After the price broke the support structure here, the green shaded signal turned red and it crossed below the zero scale line. Time to sell. We can place our stop loss above the last lower high swing of price in this downtrend. We will target 2 risks to reward ratios. Alternatively, traders could target the next strong support level. Let's see how this sell trade will work out. The bearish trend proceeded down aggressively. Take profit achieved. This is how to sell with the RSI past indicator in a downtrend market condition. To buy with this trading indicator, first, watch out for a trending bullish trend. The RSI past indicator will show a larger green shaded area at the top overbought region of the indicator's scale zone. Step 2. Patiently wait for the indicator to cross below the zero scale line and turn red. Step 3. Watch out for the red shaded signal to turn green at the lower section, as in the examples we can see on this indicator. The final step is to buy whenever the green color signal crosses above the zero scale value of the indicator. Let me show you an example of a buy trade setup entry. As we can see on the 4-hour time frame of USD Japanese yen, the market was in a strong bullish trending market. After the red signal at the bottom of the zero scale line turned green, the green signal later crossed up above the zero scale line. This is the right time to buy. Stop loss should be placed below the higher low swing in this bullish trend. Traders can target the next strong resistance level. Alternatively, traders could target 2 risk to reward ratios. Let's see how this buy trade setup will work out. Take profit target achieved. This is how to buy with the RSI past indicator in an uptrend market condition.
In order to have a higher winning probability using
The RSI past
indicator, it's advisable to pair it with momentum trading indicators such as the Relative Strength Index, RSI,